Hello and welcome back to MBBS Council. In this video, we are going to see how to browse your state quota cutoff for all the colleges. For that we have to select the cutoff menu in the home screen. After selecting that, we have to pick the state quota option from the list. I have registered the state as Kerala and category as Muslim. So, for me Kerala colleges are showing. For example, let me select Government Medical College Kozhikode. To select the cutoff, you can simply click the name. Here you can see the cutoff for the category Muslim, as well as the state merit for all the rounds. First text denotes the quota. Here SQ stands for state quota, MU stands for category Muslim, and the number 1 denotes the round. Below that AI stands for All India rank cutoff, that is 2695, SR stands for state rank, which is 207, CR stands for community rank 50, and the respective score cutoff was 660. Like this, you can also browse the cutoff for your state, as well as your category. See you in another video.